Hi, good afternoon, everyone. It's me, your host Dania Hussain for SheTalks Season 2. SheTalks Season 2 is a platform which celebrates women's journey, voices, and stories. And today we have one such inspiring story of Dr. Tessy. Dr. Tessy, welcome to our show,
Thank you.
SheTalks Season 2.
Thank you for having me in the show, Dania. It's a great opportunity.
So, Dr. Tessy is the founder and the medical director of Tessy Reju Dental Clinic, and she is also a painter and she is also a singer. So, today we will discover the journey of Dr. Tessy through our conversation. So, Dr. Tessy, we have few questions for you and through which we will explore.
Please go ahead.
Great. So, Dr. Tessie, take us back, to the beginning. What first drew you to the world of dentistry?
So, Dania, I have always believed smiles can open doors and heal hearts.
Yeah.
So, dentistry gave me the gift of creating those smiles every single day. It's not just about fixing teeth, it's about, changing lives with happiness and confidence.
Great, amazing. So, was there any specific moment you knew that I'm going to open my clinic? When you decided, like, okay, I want to open my clinic. I need to have a clinic like that.
Yeah, so there was a moment when
Yeah.
I realized my dream was bigger than my comfort zone.
Yeah.
So I decided I have to take a step forward and start something truly my own, where my vision of care can, come across lives. Yeah.
Great, nice. So, also tell us about Tessy Reju Dental Clinic LLC. What's the vibe and what makes it special, for your patients?
Yeah. So in my clinic, it's more than a clinic
Yeah.
where comfort meets technology. And every single patient who walks into my clinic, they are treated like a family. More
Yeah.
than just a patient, we treat them
Okay.
like a family, even right from the doorstep, from the warm welcome. We greet them to the dental innovations that happens in the clinic. We make sure that the patient feels safe, they are valued, and they are respected and cared for. Yeah.
Great, amazing. So, Al Majas is a vibrant area in Sharjah, UAE. And how has the community shaped your practice?
Yeah, so Al Majas has a spirit of warmth and togetherness.
Yeah.
It's a very vibrant community. The community here, they reminds us that it's not just healthcare is not just about
Yeah.
procedures. It's more
Yes.
about people. So the
Yeah.
trust they have in in me and my clinic, and their the vibrancy, it truly fuels our passion to serve them better.
Great, amazing. So, many people fear going to the dentist, as we know. So,
Yeah.
how do you help your patients to feel calm and comfortable?
So once the patient come to me, we try to replace the fear with trust.
Yeah.
Maybe a gentle conversation, one gentle care of touch, and then we make try to make them understand. Then there's nothing to fear. Dentistry is not something that you have to be feared of. The moment the patient feel like they are respected, they are heard,
Yeah.
the slowly anxiety fades into comfort zone. Yeah. So basically that's what
Great.
it is.
So, what's your personal approach to making dentistry less about the drills and more about the smiles?
Yeah. So for me, every step is towards confidence, not fear. So I usually tell my patients dentistry is not about losing something. It's
Yeah.
about gaining back your smile, your
Yeah.
confidence, your overall happiness, and your oral health. Yeah.
Great, amazing. So, if you could bust one big myth about dental care, what would it be?
So there are a lot of dental myths. One of it would be it's fine until it hurts.
Yeah.
So the patient doesn't go to the dentist until it's pain.
Yeah.
So pain is often one of the last thing that
Yeah.
happens. Like is the last sign that
Yeah.
you're having something serious, infection or something like that. So it's always actually the real dental care is about about prevention rather than waiting for the pain. So you have to start the treatment before you
Yeah.
get into trouble. That's why
Yeah.
we advise the patients, like, you have to do the dental checkup once in 6 months, so
Yeah.
that we can find out if you're getting any, like, dental cavities or anything that you need a dental treatment for.
Also, what's one small daily habit that can make a big difference in oral health?
A small habit, maybe dental floss.
Yeah.
People usually ignore it. So flossing daily, it's a tiny habit, but it has huge
Yeah.
impact in your overall health. So when you miss your daily flossing, the interdental area, basically that's what we
Yeah.
clean with the floss.
Yeah.
So there is a lot of plaque accumulation which we don't see or do with normal brushing. So by dental flossing, it's like around 40% of your tooth structure, the interdental area,
Yeah.
which means half of your tooth structure.
Yeah.
So when we ignore that, it's actually an important part of oral hygiene. So yeah, the flossing is like, it has huge impact on your oral hygiene.
Great.
Yeah.
Nice. So, what's the most surprising dental fact your patients often don't know?
Um, a healthy smile can
Yeah.
also give you a healthy heart. Yeah,
Yeah.
and overall health and happiness. Like, for example, if you're a cardiac patient,
Yeah.
your oral hygiene has a huge impact on your condition as well. So if they don't have if they do a vigorous brushing, or they have a poor oral hygiene, or the gingival diseases, they can actually cause endocarditis related bacteremia in cardiac cases. So we don't give that importance to these
Yeah.
small things, but it has huge
Yeah.
impact.
Great. So, how has technology changed the way you work in the past few years?
So technology has huge impact now these days. It has
Yeah.
turned dentistry into an art, I can say. Like, it has become more gentler, more faster, and more precise than ever before. So when the patient come to the clinic, the whole dental experience has become more smoother than before.
So, are there any exciting treatments you've introduced at your clinic?
Yeah, so we design dream smiles that look so beautiful, feel natural, and beyond the appearance, it will help the patient, like, to improve their self-esteem, and affect their overall happiness and overall oral health. Yeah.
Great. So, running a clinic means wearing many hats. And how do you juggle between being a dentist, a leader, and an entrepreneur?
Okay, so I work with passion, lead
Yeah.
with a purpose, and trust my team
Yeah.
like they are an extension of my own hands.
Yeah.
That's how it works. So that balance is what I think makes the difference.
Great. Amazing. So, what's your biggest learning curve as a clinic owner?
Okay, so I think it is balancing passion with patience. I think it's not just about success. Is not just about skill. I
Yeah.
think it is with the resilience, persistence, and the courage to grow through all the hurdles that come across.
Definitely. So, do you do any outreach or awareness programs in Sharjah to promote oral health?
Absolutely, yeah. So we do, it's not just the healthy smiles or oral health is not just inside the walls of our clinic. We go beyond the clinic, and we go to schools, we do events, and all the communities, where awareness can make a lasting difference. I think educating is that important, like treatment.
Definitely.
Yeah.
How important is building trust with your local community in the healthcare business?
I think trust is the main factor. Without trust, care has no foundation.
Yeah.
Yeah, trust has a lot of importance when you work with patients and with the communities. So yeah, so I think with trust, we can make more effective
Yeah.
treatments. Yeah.
Great. So, what's the most heartwarming story you've experienced with a patient?
So there are a lot of cases actually. So I think there was this Sudani lady. She was about to
Yeah.
marry.
Yeah.
But she has not met her fiance yet.
Yeah.
So the first meeting was supposedly to happen in my clinic. So but she had one missing front teeth, and then she had some twisted teeth and all, but she definitely had some affordability issues as well. So somebody referred me and she came to me, and I was like, I understand her situation. In 1 week we had to do, so we did a beautiful smile makeover for her. So once we finished the treatment, I think the timing, the God's blessing, everything came together. It was the boy reached the clinic by the time we just fixed her teeth and everything was done and dusted. And then meeting him, the first thing he said, he complimented her was, you got a beautiful smile. So I think she just came back inside my room and she hugged me. I think she had some chocolates in her pocket. She was like, please take this, I just want to give you something, I have all this. And she was like taking out her bracelets and everything. So yeah, so I think the tears of joy,
Yeah.
that's what makes the difference when I see that. I think that's why I do what I do.
Definitely. So, if you weren't a dentist, what you would be doing today?
I think I would be a creator, shaping something beautiful that changes life. Maybe through art, like I was into
Yeah.
dancing and singing and all before. I paint. So I think some of those,
Yeah,
yeah.
okay, great. Nice. So, give us your 30-second smile advice that everyone listening today can take away.
Okay, so I would say treat your smile like your signature.
Yeah.
Care for it daily.
Yes.
Check it twice a year and
Yeah.
wear it proudly.
Yes. And now, one last question that I would like to ask you is that what is your message to the young and aspiring women entrepreneurs?
I think just follow your passion.
Yeah.
Yeah, just I think there is a lot of people here to support you guys. I think just follow your mind, follow your passion. If I can do this, if I can achieve this much in like 5 years, I think anybody can do it. Yeah, it's
Great.
just hard work and
Yeah.
follow your passion. That's what makes
Great.
the difference.
Great, amazing. So it was a wonderful conversation with you, Dr. Tessy,
Thank
and we
you.
wish you all the best for your future endeavors. And thank you so much for being on our show today, She Talk Season 2.
Thank you, Dania. Thank you for inviting me. It was a great honor. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you so much. And with this, we end our conversation for today for She Talk Season 2. This is your host, Tanya Hussain, signing off. Thank you so much.